We don't believe the state has proved its case, so the defense will rest.
That was Jim Archibald, Lori Vallow's attorney. The prosecution and the defense in Lori Vallow's murder trial have now rested their cases. This is moving along now, folks. Vallow is the Eastern Idaho mom charged with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and grand theft in the deaths of her two kids, JJ and Tylee.
She's also charged with conspiracy and grand theft in the death of her husband's late wife, Tammy Daybell. Now, before arresting yesterday, two last witnesses testified. Brenda joins us now to tell us what they said. Brenda.
Yesterday, the court learned more about Lori and Chad's relationship. Before resting its case, the prosecution called FBI specialist Nicole Heidman back to the stand. She pieced together the James and Elena love story. Heidman told the court that James was an alias for Chad and Elena was an alias for Lori. Investigators believe that Chad Daybell wrote this story about his supposed past life with Lori Vallow. Heidman said that the story closely mirrored a lot of Chad and Lori's real-life interactions. October 26, 2018, around the time Heidman said Chad and Lori met at a conference in Utah.
The James and Elena story, it begins on October 26th. In the James and Elena story, James Google searches Elena right about the same time that they first meet, and that is consistent with Chad Googling a Lori on October 26th, 2018.
Heidman then talked about another conference the couple went to that November. The court also heard or saw more text messages between the couple, some of which were explicit. After Heidman, Nicholas Edwards testified. He said he's the lead investigator with the Idaho Attorney General's office and the state's 60th witness in this case.
At some point, did you become involved in an investigation regarding the death of Tammy Daybell?
I did.
Edwards reviewed 90 calls and text messages between Chad, Lori's brother, Alex Cox, and his wife of 2 weeks, Zulema. Those messages were sent between 9:12 a.m. October 9th of 2019 and 2:28 a.m. the next morning. October 9th was the night investigators say someone tried to shoot Tammy.
There were then 15 text messages between Alex and Chad between 7:13 p.m. and 8:43 p.m. And then the attempted shooting occurred between 9:15 p.m. and 9:25 p.m.
Tammy died of asphyxiation on October 19, 2019. Edwards was also there the day law enforcement found JJ and Tylee's remains. The prosecution later arrested, something the defense did as well, but without calling witnesses or presenting evidence. They claimed the state did not prove its case against Lori. Jurors have the day off while attorneys write up the jury instructions. Those instructions will explain how jurors should apply Idaho law to the evidence presented during this trial. Both sides will make closing arguments tomorrow. We're not sure how long this will take, but once those do wrap up, the jury starts deliberating. The defense filed a motion for acquittal yesterday, claiming the state didn't prove its case. And Maggie, Justin, people will be able to watch the verdict live from court whenever it does come down. We're going to be streaming it here on Channel 7 and, of course, the rest of our platforms.
Yes, and we're going to alert you when it comes in so that you can get ready to watch our coverage right here on 7. It's going to be live. We're going to bring it right to you when it happens.
So sign up for those push alerts on the KTVB app. Brenda, thank you.